At ITW GSE, we supply ground support equipment for aircraft, primarily power and preconditioned air to park aircraft when their engines are off. ITW GSE belongs to the specialty segment. We have two manufacturing locations, one in Palmetto, Florida, and one in Odense. We also have sales offices in Singapore and Dubai. We enjoy a leading position in a niche market, with key markets being the Americas and Europe. The team behind the patent has extensive experience in power electronics, embedded software and control systems. Collectively, the team has more than 80 years of experience in R&D at ITW GSE.
Our product is a battery-driven ground power unit used for remote stands in airports away from the passenger terminal. Since there's no electricity on remote stands, traditionally a diesel-driven GPU has been used. They have the problems of carbon dioxide emissions, NOx emissions, and a relatively high noise level. Our eGPU has no emissions and a significantly lower noise level.
We have had a partnership with Schiphol Airport Amsterdam since the late 80s. And the airport, they wanted greener replacement for their diesel GPUs. And together with Nissan, we were asked to propose a concept for a battery-powered GPU. To service 6 aircraft turnarounds per day, a battery capacity of 160 kilowatt hour was needed to avoid in-between charging. Nissan's car batteries at that time were only 40 kilowatt hour, so 4 batteries in parallel were required. To avoid damaging inrush current in case of uneven battery voltage, a certified battery management system was actually required, and such a system was not available on the market, and we did not ourselves have the knowledge and resources to develop it ourselves. Instead, we came up with a simple hardware solution which ensured a smooth reconnection of batteries without the need for a battery management system. And this actually became the basis of our patent.
We typically start the create and development process with a collaborative brainstorming session at the whiteboard. Here we share ideas openly and build on each other's thoughts in a ping-pong style back and forth. Our open and safe work environment helps us work together to refine our thinking and develop the best possible solutions. The first eGPU prototype used cell modules, but the team concluded rapidly that standard automotive batteries paired with the patented coupling were a better solution. Replacing a diesel GPU with a battery GPU saves about 80% of CO2 or 50 tons of CO2 per year. This is equivalent to about 45 households or 30 cars. In addition to decarbonization, lower costs for fuel and maintenance saves about $39,000 per year. The battery GPU has a TCO lower than a diesel unit after about 2 years. In addition to decarbonization, the battery GPU's lower fuel and maintenance costs result in saving of about $39,000 per year. The battery GPU has a lower total cost of ownership than a diesel GPU after about 2 years.
We are proud of the battery-powered eGPU, a game-changing solution that emits zero CO2 or NOx in operation, runs silently, and delivers at lower total cost of ownership for the customers. Innovating an alternative to fossil-fueled ground power units prompted the players in the ground support industry to follow this trend. The market for electrical GSE has matured over the years, and peers in the market have started to produce battery-driven GSE too. We are the leading supplier of battery-driven eGPU worldwide, and we are the only manufacturer that has dual production in both the Americas and Europe, which helps us deliver fast. Over the past 6 years, the eGPU has generated a total of $96 million in revenue. In 2026, we expect to reach $55 million, which would be close to 25% of our total revenue.